Hey everyone, I got some exciting news. I got my first check from the Amazon Influencer Program. And I got little Aurora here because I couldn't have done it without her. So, what is the Amazon Influencer Program? When did I start it? How did I get into it? And how much was that first check? We're going to get into that in this video, so make sure you watch it all. Alright, so first off, I'm going to let Aurora go to her little perch. Amazon Influencer Program. So the Amazon Influencer Program is an advertisement program that Amazon came up with a few years ago, and it allows influencers to actually make money. So how do we get into that? Well, you need some sort of social media following, whether it's Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. You get your following. There isn't a significant number or any requirements, it really says, but they do look at engagement. From what I've read, some people say you need 20,000 subscribers or followers. I didn't have that. I had around 1,500 followers on YouTube, and then I had a small following on Instagram and Facebook. But like I said, I think it's more towards engagement. If you have people commenting, that it actually took me 3 times to apply. I applied in 2022, March of 2023. No, it was February of 2023. And then in April is when I got into the program, and I started making videos the last week of April. So I do have my first check right here. And this is exciting, but it's from May. And why is it from May? It's from May because Amazon does wait to send you their checks. There's actually 2 months. And why is there 2 months? Because of returns. That's the reason that I've seen. It's returns. So what actually happens? What happens is you make a video on a product on Amazon, something that's sold on Amazon. You upload your video, tag the product, and then if someone watches that video and then buys the product, you earn a commission. So as you're scrolling through Amazon today or tomorrow, look, and you'll see videos. Some of them are actual reviews where individuals have sent in, and other ones are influencer videos, and they'll usually say earns commission. So that's how we earn our money as influencers in the Amazon Influencer Program. And the commission rates vary. They vary, like toys, for instance, very low commission rate, under 2%. And then you have luxury beauty items, which are up to 5%. And then Amazon does these little bonus weeks where your commission rates are doubled, blah, 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 blah. But starting out, I started in May, made my first videos, and at the end of April, they started showing up in Amazon. May, and the first week I made $20, and I was so excited about $20. Like, that's the first money that you've ever made making videos, Weaver. Good job, buddy. That's what I was telling myself, because $20 is not that much. But it grew, and as a couple weeks went on, I made more and more and more, and I had $20 days. So I was like, wow, $20 a day? Now this could be significant. And by the end of the month, I had a number that was pretty good, and I was proud of. The problem is I had a few days that really stressed me out, because we made videos on some Crocs, and these Crocs blew up. We sold so many Crocs, like 200 or 300 pairs of Crocs, and I was having these big wavy days where I was selling a whole bunch and making commission, but really, like, a pair of Crocs, you only get a couple bucks in commission. But still, when you're starting out, that's a couple dollars adds up. Well, then I had a negative day, like minus 89 cents I earned for that day, and it was because of returns. So you got to watch out for the returns, because they will come, they will get you. So don't let that bring you down, because you can start getting stressed out if you're looking at the numbers every single day, every morning, waking up. How much did I earn yesterday? How much did I earn yesterday? It doesn't matter until your check comes. basically, because there is a return policy and people return those, you're not going to get paid for them. So, with that being said, my first check, $507. That's the first month. That's the first money I've ever made on social media. Now, since then, my numbers have gone up tremendously. It's actually becoming more than a side hustle. It's something I see as a way to build my future on. Take this money, hook it in other side hustles, and eventually, have steady lines of passive income. That's my goal with this whole program. Now, how much time does it take the videos? Well, it doesn't really take that much time, and maybe that's something I need to look into, because right now my videos are between 45 seconds and a minute, and sometimes they're smaller, sometimes they're a longer number. It just depends. But this is all part of the learning, and I do watch a lot of these Amazon influencer videos from other people that are just starting out and try to learn lessons off of them, because there is a learning curve. There's a major learning curve. I'm learning how to actually market products. So instead of just doing an unboxing and review, I need to show products to people that want to buy the products after I watch them. So it's all learning, and now we're at the end of July, and I'm so happy with the way my July numbers are looking. I mean, it's amazing. And if you guys like this content, I'll make more videos and showing you progressively how I grow and what sort of products. Another little bonus is that companies are getting a hold of me, a lot of companies. So I'm not even buying products anymore, and they're not just pet products either. I'm getting all kinds of stuff in the mail to do videos to look at. So it's more than just the money. I'm learning how to make videos better. I'm getting free stuff, lots of free stuff, and I'm making money, and I'm having fun. So thank you guys for watching. This is the start of a big journey, and we're really excited here at Dreamweaver Aquatics and Aurora, and hope to make more videos, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.